Have you ever wondered how builders make sure a house stands straight? They use triangle properties. Today, we will construct special lines inside triangles. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. The angle property says all 3 angles inside any triangle always add up to 180 degrees. The height or altitude is a line from a vertex that meets the opposite side at 90 degrees. Think of it like a pole standing straight up from the ground. A median goes from a vertex to the middle of the opposite side. A perpendicular bisector cuts a side in half at a right angle, like slicing fufu exactly in 2. Example 1. A triangle has 2 angles of 50 degrees and 70 degrees. Find the third angle. Let us use the angle property. We add 50 plus 70 to get 120, then subtract from 180. The third angle is 60 degrees. Example 2. Draw all 3 heights of a triangle. Watch closely. All 3 altitudes always meet at one special point called the orthocenter. Now draw all 3 medians. They also meet at one point called the centroid. This is the balancing point, like the center of a spinning top. Many students get this wrong. They confuse the height with the median. Remember, the height must make a right angle with the opposite side. The median only reaches the midpoint. Remember HAMP, height, altitude, median, perpendicular bisector. And never forget, all angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to learn more mathematics. See you in the next video.